Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra Maths classes. Find the domain of f of x equal to 1 by root over x plus step x. Even like previous problem, dear students, f of x equal to 1 by root x plus step x is defined when x plus step x is greater than 0. So x is greater than minus step x. You observe that, dear students, x is greater than minus step x. This will be applicable for only x is greater than 0. See here, in place of x, substitute greater than 0 values once x equal to 1. 1 is greater than minus of step 1. So minus 1. 1 is greater than minus 1. X equal to 2, you take it. 2 is greater than minus 2. Suppose if we take negative values, it won't be work out. See, example, x equal to 2, you take it now. Sorry, minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 2. It is meaningless. Suppose if you take any negative value, minus 3. Minus 3 is greater than minus 3. It is also meaningless. So, this inequality will be satisfies. This will satisfy. This will means the above one. X is greater than minus step x. This will be satisfies for x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0 meaning is what? X belongs to, that is, x belongs to open interval of 0 comma infinity. So on the near number line, you will get x is greater than 0 means x belongs to open 0 to infinity. This is the way you can do that, dear students. I hope you understand that. So the next question, find the domain of f of x equal to 1 by root of x minus mod x. So here, x minus mod x. So here also same thing, no? F of x is defined, instead of writing all function, directly I am writing, defined when x minus mod x is greater than 0. So x minus mod x is greater than 0. Here first I will define the function x minus mod x is equal to x minus x equal to 0 if x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, mod x is plus x only, so it will be 0. So x minus mod x equal to x plus x, that is equal to 2x if x is less than 0. You understand that x minus step x is greater than 0 means mod x, x minus mod x. X is greater than 0 only it is defining. So x is greater than 0 means obviously x minus mod x is greater than 0, it will be defined. So x minus mod x equal to 2x, x is less than 0. Here it is greater than 0. Whenever x minus mod x is less than 0, root value cannot be exist now, since it is x is less than 0. X minus mod x is less than 0, 2x value. 2x value less than 0. So root value cannot be exist. So f of x is not defined. F of x is not defined for the values of r. For the values of r. Real numbers, for any real numbers it won't work out. So what is the domain? Therefore, domain of f of x, domain of f of x is null set. So domain of f of x is null set. Observe carefully, dear students. This is a very, very important one for this question. I'll move to another one. Last question here. So the last question, find the domain of f of x equal to 1 by root x plus, 1 plus, not 1 more here, x plus step x, x plus mod x. So here also f of x is defined. F of x is defined when x plus mod x is greater than 0. It is valid for any real number. That means any real value. That is x is greater than 0. Any real number greater than 0. Therefore, x is greater than 0 means x belongs to open 0 to infinity. So, the domain of this function x plus mod x value always greater than 0. If we take any value, if we take negative value means there is no meaning, there is no definition to define that. So, that is the reason x is greater than 0 means x belongs to open 0 to infinity. So for any, it is valid for any real number greater than 0. Real numbers greater than 0 means it is. Why? Because here clearly once again, since for the reason I am writing x is greater than 0. Why? X plus mod x. So first x greater than 0 I am taking. So x plus x equal to 2x when x is greater than 0 now. I am taking next minus x equal to 0. X is less than 0. Suppose x equal to 0 you take it. X. Among these three conditions if you see, x is greater than 0 we want. Why? Because x plus delta x plus mod x is greater than 0. X plus x equal to 2x, x is greater than 0. So it is defined for only greater than 0 only, no? So 2x, root 2x. 2x is greater than 0 means, so 2x is greater than 0. Obviously x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0 means x belongs to 0 to infinity. This is the domain. So it is domain, which is domain of f of x. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand that. This I will put in that not only YouTube and Facebook also I'll keep it. Thank you all.